My name is Rayan Kassis. I'm the co-founder and CEO of AED Energy. We're building a thermal battery that is intended to replace expensive and polluting fossil fuels in communities worldwide. And we've chosen Nigeria as our first field pilot that we're implementing at Pan Atlantic University. Well, the team has worked in Nigeria before, and we really valued that we wanted a partner that understands the energy situation in Nigeria. And what better place, we thought, than Pan Atlantic University, with its focus on engineering and technical studies, but also on innovation and the energy landscape in Nigeria. So we just wanted to have a partner that we can work with on the ground and find solutions that match the Nigerian reality, and not just dropping in solutions from abroad. Well, this project is funded by Innovate UK as part of a diesel replacement program called Zero Emissions Generator Program. And we applied together with Pan Atlantic University. The unit that we have here is an R&D unit. It's intended for testing and fine-tuning of our final system. And it provides an extremely valuable resource to both analyze and study putting renewable energies in communities, not only on the campus, but also foster an environment of innovation where you can actually see these systems on the ground and how they work, and generate new ideas for additional new technologies to come forward. I think the standout in your students is the curiosity and the thirst for knowledge that's grounded in actual problems and solutions that you can see on the ground. And that combination is extremely powerful, where you have that curiosity to improve and to innovate and to think outside of the box, but also you can match that with issues that are surrounding you as a student and as a community. And as I mentioned to the university leadership, that this is the future of Nigeria and the future energy professionals in Nigeria, my point of view. So that curiosity is absolutely key. Well, I mean, think of it as a first-of-a-kind project in Nigeria that's never been done before. In a new technology field, but that's directly relevant. And this is extremely valuable for the students here to be associated with these kinds of projects, not just ours, but similar projects, because as the new energy systems unfolds, you'll be at the epicenter of this. You'll have already seen this in action on the ground on the university. And when other universities and communities and projects and industries need similar systems, you'll be one of the pioneers in studying and understanding how these technologies unfold on the ground. So it's extremely valuable, and having students participate in these programs is absolutely vital for future careers in energy. My advice for the students is that don't take for granted innovation. You know, the energy system that we're living in now is something that we inherited, that I inherited, that everyone else inherited, but it's not the system of the future. So keep curious and keep thinking outside of the box and finding solutions that match the energy reality both in Nigeria and elsewhere. Because there is a new modern system that's coming. When I started, there was no solar, there was no wind. Now it's everywhere, you know, and in 10 years, you don't know what the new technologies will be. So keep curious and keep pushing forward. The university, I feel the energy as soon as I come in. I see the bright students full of thirst for knowledge. The campus itself, fosters a good feeling of moving forward. So that's my personal feelings, and I always enjoy coming to Pan Atlantic University.